Good morning, it is day 10 of Vlogmas. Here's Carol. I forgot my sunglasses today, so this is gonna be really interesting. But we just arrived in Old San Juan, and we're gonna do a walking tour. Christmas ornaments, sleigh. Check out this view. Hey! We have a break in the tour, so now we're gonna go get some coffee. Look at this street though. Crazy, right? This diagram showing the levels of foam versus milk and coffee is the smartest and cutest thing I've ever seen. We got our coffee. Taste test. Good. Delicious. Really good. We made it to the historical site, except for the fact that it is raining really hard and I don't have a rain jacket, so we've just accepted the fact that we're going to be drenched today and that we will have wet shoes for the rest of the day. But that's okay. That's okay.
Like an archer could stand here, you know?
Yeah. I bet they did.
Yeah, where they shot their cannons and stuff. Yeah. Oh, wait.
That is a really narrow passageway. She's going in.
Scary.
This feels really claustrophobic.
But it looks great.
Ooh. Feel like staircase. We just sat down to get some food, and Carol and Tessa are still ordering, but this is what we got. Hello. Very gorgeous. Oh, look at you. Look at you.
We don't need a
And you. Come walk with me. We are in the pigeon park. There's lots of pigeons over there, and there's a cat up in there. We have decided that our next move is going to be an escape room. We've decided to do a level 4 one. We're gonna challenge ourselves. But every time I've done an escape room with these two and Tessa, we've like ate it up. So I have done escape rooms though with other people, and we have not eaten it up. So we're just thinking today we're gonna rock it. So we're gonna try to do we're gonna challenge ourselves just a little bit here with the level 4 one.
I still think we're gonna get out easily.
Carol has a lot of confidence, so I'm really gonna ride off that. Update. He's here. Say hello. Hello. Just a couple of besties. Holy moly. A sea of birds. Alright, we just got some gelato. I got mixed berry and strawberry.
And I got pavlova mixed berry and tropical.
Yummy. Cool, what did you get?
Oh, I got mango and Belgian chocolate.
Nice.
Level 1 part.
We escaped with minutes to spare, and by minutes, 13 minutes out of 45. We didn't have to ask for any hints, except we did get one. We did it. Yay. What the dog doing?
What?
Dinner. We just got back. Now we are winding down, and I will see you for day 11.